Good morning, students. We are doing the chapter life process. In the life process, we have done the topic nutrition in the plants and the animals. We have done the respiration in the plants and the animals. Now, we have the third topic, that is the transportation in plants and animals. Animals or plants may which things are going to transport. In the animals, the oxygen, food, and food, etc., are going to transport. In the plants, the transport of the water and the minerals, plants transport of the food and the transpiration process is there. Now, what is the transportation? Transportation क्या है? Transportation is the transfer of the substance in the whole body of the organism, either they are plants or they are animals, or removal of the waste substances produced have to be removed continuously for the healthy functioning of the tissue. It is therefore essential to have the efficient mechanism for the movement these substances of the cell and from the cells. Different organism involve the different methods to the transport. Simple organism in the sponges हो गया, slantrates circulate the water from the surrounding their body cavity to facilitate the cells to exchange these substances. More complex organisms having the special organs and the fluid or the special material for the transport of the materials. Now, the blood is the main transporter in the organisms. Example is a human being. Transport in the human being is in your syllabus. We are going to do the transport in the human being, how it is the process occurring, which parts are involving there. Firstly, blood is the fluid connective tissue. It containing the food medium called the plasma, in which the cells are suspended. Plasma transports the food, carbon dioxide, nitrogenous base dissolved in it. Oxygen carried to the red blood cells. Many other substances like the salt also transported by the blood. We need a system to ensure this network can be repaired if damaged. Now, the first of all, the parts of the blood. Blood corpuscles having the three types. They are the erythrocytes, leukocytes, and the last one is the thermocytes. Firstly, we have to do erythrocytes. What are the erythrocytes? These are the RBCs, red blood cells. They are most abundant in the cell of the human body. They are the mostly biconcave, circular in shape, except the camels. Yellowish होते हैं when they are singly. No hemoglobin is present. When there is a hemoglobin, then they are red in color. Hemoglobin is a conjuncted protein. किससे बना होता है? Made up of the protein that is called the globin and the non-protein group that is called the heme. 100 ml of the blood of the normal man contains a 15 gram of the human globin, and the what in the woman its amount is the 13 gram. Functioning of the erythrocytes is called the erythropoiesis. The lifespan of the RBCs is 120 days, and having the in the normal human being the amount of the erythrocytes is the 4 to 5 millions. RBCs are cubic milliliter blood respectively. Less amount of the RBCs leads the anemia. Abnormal RBCs count the polycythemia. Decrease in the RBCs number calling the erythrocytopenia. Oxygen storage stimulates the kidney cell to secrete the hormone called the erythropoietin in the blood. Erythropoietin stimulates the bone marrow to increase the production of the RBCs. Now, erythrocytes play a vital role in the transport of the oxygen and the carbon dioxide. It also balances the pH of the body. It's body of the inner blood. If the blood containing an anticoagulant is allowed to stand the narrow vertical tube, that is the erythrocytes are settled down there. This is called the erythrocytes sedimentation rate, ESR. When you are going to the laboratory, there are the number of tests are there, that is the ESR, TLC. Then these tests are the performing there. ESR useful किसके लिए है? Diagnose the many diseases that is like the tuberculosis. If the amount of amount of the RBCs less in your body, that it converted into the plasma, then it is called the jaundice. तो आपको jaundice कब होता है? Leukocytes. Next is the leukocytes. Leukocytes is the white blood cells called the WBC. Also, they are not having the hemoglobin. That is why they are the colorless. Number of the leukocytes is the blood is क्या है? per microliter blood is called the total leukocyte count, that is called the TLC. Its number is vary from the 5000 to the 10,000 per cubic meter. If the TLC number is the more, then you are having the diseases, bacterial diseases. If the lower TLC in your body, then you are infected by the viral infection, that is the malaria, typhoid. Abnormal increase in the WBC, when they cause the blood cancer. Fall in WBC count called the leukopenia. Next is your thermocytes. Thermocytes called the blood platelets. When the injured part bleeding is naturally loss of the blood from the system of the animals. In addition to the leakage, तो उस लीकेज को स्टॉप करने के लिए हमारी बॉडी में क्या प्रेजेंट होती हैं, प्लेटलेट्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं. थर्मोसाइट्स फ्यूर RBCs मोर WBC इन नंबर. दे आर अबाउट द 250,000 प्लेटलेट्स इन द क्यूबिक मिलीलीटर ऑफ द ब्लड. नंबर ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स इंक्रीज इज कॉल्ड द थर्मोसाइटोसिस, while the decrease is called the thermocytopenia. Thermocytes are the rounded oval disc bodies. Plates are colorless. Lifespan of the platelets is about a week. Mechanism of the blood clotting. ब्लड क्लॉट कैसे होता है? देयर इज़ अ इंजर्ड टिश्यू, जख्म हो गया, वहाँ पे क्या रिलीज होगा? थर्मोब्लास्टिन. देन कैल्शियम 2 positive protein is there, then that is the next process is the prothovinase. then blood platelet calcium protein आया, then inactive catalysis होना स्टार्ट हो गया. प्रोथ्रोम्बिन किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? थ्रोम्बिन में. फिर फाइब्रोजन ने क्या बना दी? फाइब्रिन बना दी. फाइब्रिन में जब क्या आ गई? ब्लड सेल में आके मिल गई. then the clot is occur there. bleeding time, generally the bleeding lasts for the 1 to 6 minutes. clotting time, the normal clotting is about 2 to 8 minutes. Next is the lymph. Lymph is the another type of the fluid which help in the transport. The mobile connective tissue made of the lymph plasma. Lymph corpuscles present in the walls of the capillaries. Some amount of the plasma protein and blood spaces in the tissue form the lymph. Lymph क्या है? Lymph is another type of the tissue help in the transport. It is also called the mobile connective tissue. किससे बना होता है? lymph plasma से बना होता है. lymph corpuscles. lymph corpuscles means cells होते हैं. plasma means fluid होता है. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद सिमिलर कैसा होता है? ये प्लाज्मा ऑफ द ब्लड की तरह होता है, बट नो ब्लड प्लेटलेट्स, बट मोस्टली आर द lymphocytic. organ that are secreting the lymph are called the lymphoid organs. example is the lymph nodes, tonsils, thymus gland, spleen, etc. फिर देन दैट जो lymph carries the digested and absorb the fat from the intestine and drain excess fluid from the extracellular space back into the blood. लीफ क्या करता है? बॉडी को मॉइस्ट रखने का काम करता है, डिस्ट्रॉय करता है इन्वेडिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड फॉरगोइंग पार्टिकल्स इन द नोड्स. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू. हैव अ गुड डे.